da 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 dee da. You bought the jackpot course for my ex. Oh, that's funny, dude. Good morning.
She was pretty cool for the time. She was like my whole life. Something on my mind. Really wasn't hard though.
Ooh, I hope you guys grinding hard. Make some money.
Sipping on this 40, fly away like birdie. No longer my shawty. You just gotta leave him. I just gotta breathe in. Kept you different seasons. Now I'm fucking leaving. Yo. Take a couple shots when she asked our head. That leaves my building. What a fucking bitch. Sitting in the stairs, there's a bag on too. Fuck that little cash.
What's up, man? Good morning. Yeah. Pound went nuts? Yeah. I think it's bullshit. I think it's gonna sweep the high still. Have I changed my live stream times? It's always at this time now, dude. Been doing this for months. Maybe a month. Maybe just a month, yeah.
Make your mama quite rich. Working all the time, but I know I'm just finna die shit. Took a couple shots when she asked our head. That leaves my building, what a fucking bitch. Sitting in the chair, with a bag on. All that little cash, she really smart. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, Bacardi be all on me. Screaming Mayday, this lady gon' drive me crazy. Need a vacay for 4 weeks, won't bring no lady. Just some hoes with the go who really don't need me. Finna party, Bacardi be all on me.
So I use fair value gaps. A little bit. Good to know everything. NZD USD. I wanted to get a short on this. I just barely missed my entry. Just barely. On NZD. Would have been a killer trade. Fucking like 7 iron already. Fuck. This week has been treating me shit. NZD probably go a bit lower. There's no reason to turn. Yeah, you got 2 minutes, man. We're starting off here soon. Popping off here soon.
We play another game. She say we can't keep it honest, babe. Now fuck love, twist words, what you trying to say? Bring it back around and play another game.
Lucky, man.
She say she never finna love me, baby. What the fuck is up? We twist the words and run a cycle. Send her hurt, the vibes are hurt. Don't try to love you, burn the heart, but gotta breathe. She say she won't play another guy.
What's up, Ed?
Baby, never really finish champagne, need a better bitch and better ways. Try to speak in palace while you run away. We play another game. She say we can't keep it honest, babe. Nah, fuck love, twist words, what you trying to say? We play.
Yeah, what the fuck is EJ doing? You're right, dude. This is a trade that you want to hopefully get your stops at break even quickly on EJ. Alright, cut the music. Let's do it. There we are. I got some lighting in the background there. Let's just scooch that guy. Right. We got a little man in the corner over here. He's gonna watch over us today. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Here is an EJ trade that I had taken. Stops have been moved just up, so we're just risking a little bit less here. But Banksy was just saying, you know, what the fuck is EJ doing? Now the problem with this is there's two ways to view this, right? You literally have consolidation, and you have a sweep of that consolidation that way, but you also have a sweep this way, right? There's two ways to view this. So the reality is it could go either way. So this is something that, you know, if you shorted here, you wanna basically get out as quickly as possible. But we didn't quite hit my first take profit, so hopefully we don't fucking get fucked here, eh? Alright, so what's going on here today, guys? Stream with your day sleeping. Yeah, I got somebody sleeping over right now, so just doing a live stream here. And keeping the schedule, guys. Keeping the schedule, because you know, that shit don't change the markets. You guys still need your education. You guys still need to learn. Don't matter what's happening here. You guys still need to make money. I closed out a little bit on my personal account here, honestly, right around this level. Closed out a little bit of it because I wanted to essentially be a break-even trade. My stop is right around here right now. Just because if we look at this, I can see it going above this guy and retesting right here. I can see this as a possibility right around here. Is that right? Right spot. Oh, right around here. That's what I meant. Right around there. I can see that happening. I'm scared of that shit. Coming up here, retesting that. So I got my stop right around there now. After that dump there. So what strategy I'm using? It's my own strategy, dude. You must be new here. I trade using liquidity, manipulation, bank orders, chatism. Use the Bible of holy wokeness. I practice chatism and the Bible of holy wokeness. Do I trade in the 2 sessions or also like 20-30 minutes before opening? Is there any confirmations on your strat? No idea what that means, dude. That's right, gotta secure the bag. Yeah, we're securing the bag, man. So this area could easily get a rejection. So that's why we didn't want to put it on break even yet, but we moved it up, right? We saw a rejection here, so we moved it up, so we're risking less here. This is a trade that I risked less on overall, so that's fine. We lose a little bit, but this week has just been absolutely brutal for me so far. Mind you, a brutal week for me means I'm not making money, generally. All right. Generally, brutal week for me at this point of my trading career means I'm not making money. I generally don't lose money. I'm slightly negative, but like nothing really. All right, so that's just the power of the wokefulness. You guys practice mindfulness. I practice wokefulness, right? So moving on to something bigger and better, something on a higher time frame here. Let's just fuck that off, right? So you guys can see this shit. So we got UCAD. You guys called this long on on the Instagram thing. How we can live with that? Yeah. On the what the Instagram, you guys choose how to trade goes. That thing, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. The Instagram thing, you know, where I ask you questions and it's all about you guys trading for me, right? You guys wanted along this bullshit, right? You guys were fucking wrong. You made me lose $50. Holy shit. That's okay. You guys made me actually win money in the long run. But watch the video. Watch the video. So you guys tried to long this shit, and then you got stopped out, and then it rallied. This is absolute bullshit, isn't it? Because you got stopped out. But higher time frame, we're seeing all these lows, nice lows, right? Eating those stops. You got stopped, so now I want to actually enter my trade. So what we're gonna look for tomorrow is tomorrow Friday or Thursday. Thursday all day long. Sweet. Okay, perfect. So tomorrow on Thursday, we're gonna look for a pullback back to this order block right here. Right around there. Maybe a bit deeper. That's a bit high, isn't it? I don't like that. It's a bit high. Maybe down here. Maybe down that area. Right around here even. Maybe just this low, right? We're going to pull back here. We're going to look for a long. This is going to be a tomorrow trade. Most likely. It's not going to happen today. I don't think it's going to happen today. Oh, fucker. Georgie, fuck off. Fucking cat. Go on. Go on, you fucking cat, man. Scratching my chair, you asshole. Okay. This is bullshit. This is bullshit. Fuck you. Damn it. Why's it gotta do that? Eh? Why's it gotta do that? See what it's doing? It's gonna close. It's gonna close way up there, isn't it? That sucks. Alright. Is that bird still in the bed? Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go in there. I got stream. I got stream, and then I got a lesson to do with somebody, and then I'm gonna go in there. Alright. He's using Ichimoku clouds. Yeah, fucking guys who use Ichimoku clouds in Forex doesn't make any sense. The goddamn jackpot guy doesn't make any sense. You don't use Ichimoku in Forex. Forex is not a trending market. Okay. So you're stuck with lower time frame. Fuck. God damn it, this sucks, man. Don't fuck me. You fucked me. EJ. Okay. Right. What else did we want to look at? I wanted to look at UJ. UJ really created some really nice action here. We just missed out on it, unfortunately. Yeah, unfortunately. We really saw that bounce off of there and then rally really strong over these levels, right? And then we saw here coming into yesterday a nice range and a sweep and then a rally, right? So naturally what we wanted to do is re-enter on this order block, but we missed it, right? Because it's over that Asia session. We just barely missed it here. And then it rallied all the way up. This would have been really nice to get in today, but I honestly had looked at the chart right around here and I was like, okay, hopefully it comes back down, but we're not. So we missed that trade. We missed, oh, this is the other one that I wanted to show you guys. We missed this one, fucking sitting at 7R right now, because we wanted to enter right here, right on this retest here. So reason, we called this, reason we can throw this up on the higher time frame here, guys. Look at this level. Absolutely beautiful. This is a higher time frame trend. This is something that might even go longer term, but we just wanted to capture the 7R here real quick. We see a high here, right? Look at what happened. All right, just barely passed it, and then it really started rejecting after consolidating that range, right? Really started rejecting. So on a retest of that order block, that's what we wanted, right? This order block right here. That's what we wanted. Missed it. Oh, gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Would have made so much. This is how trading works, though. Some weeks are shit. But if you're not shit at trading, you won't have any shit weeks. Right? Let's say that again. Some weeks can be shit. But if you're not shit at trading, you won't have any shitty weeks. That means if you manage yourself properly, you won't lose any money even if the markets are shit to you. Right? That's how it works. All right, let's look at this trade here, buddy. Mohammed. All right, so let's look at this trade, buddy bear. Buddy boy. All right. Euro. Clean. Nice consolidation after a high. Absolute dumpage. Did you manage to get into this? What do you want to... You want... Oh, you're wanting to short this on a retest. Yeah, very possible. Something like this. Come on, EJ, man. I'm looking in the other corner of my screen. Like I'm looking over here all the time, and you can see like I'm peeking at it. I'm peeking at the damn chart, and it just started dumping. Dumping. Fucking dumping. You better fucking plop it. You better plop it, EJ. Asshole. Come on. Look at this. Plop it down. Plop, plop. Right here. I don't know, man. Should I close it? I don't know. Oh, shit's freaking me out. See, this is the problem with psychology, man. Because you start having some crazy weeks that are just mentally taxing to trade, and then you start questioning everything. You're like, okay, should I close it out? I know the best move is to leave it here. I know it. Stop. But this shit is wicking hard. I know that this is the best move. But I just don't want to lose more money. I just don't want to have a negative week. That's bullshit. Losing in a week? That sucks. Who loses? All right. Okay, so what I wanted to say about this, Mohammed, is this is a really deep pullback, right, that you're going to need here. So you're going to want to watch the reaction off that level, right? So you don't want to... He's doing it. Sorry guys, here. I gotta always check the chart here. This is why I don't like streaming during like the London session here, because there's a lot of shit going on, and I get distracted. So we have a huge dump here, so it's gonna need a lot of momentum to get back. So it's gonna have to either come back slowly or kind of wick it. You're gonna have to see some sort of reaction, right? This is a very tight stop if you just left it resting like that, right? Very, very stupid. See, look at this shit. Bunch of assholes here. Bunch of dinks. Come on, bud. Oh my god, just get out of the way. You can sit here any other time. But he's like, no. You're streaming. You're streaming. It's time for me to get in the way. Get out of here. Don't go away. They're just like, they're like still retarded. I'm like pushing his face and he just like charges into me. Okay. Go on, buddy. Okay, you can sit here. Sit here. Sit right there. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Gosh. There you go. He's gotta like look at me or something. He's gotta sit next to me. Okay, you Swiss. You think you Swiss is bullish? Do I think it's bullish? I was looking for... What was I looking for here? What was I looking for? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. I wanted to get in on a possible short here. Come on, buddy. Just sit down. Because we saw a continuation back into this trend. I would have wanted to get in on a short right around here, but it just rocketed right up, right? So there's no reason to get in a short when it's rocketing like that. Go away, man. Go away. Get your ass out of here. He sits for like 2 seconds and then starts fucking with shit again. My ginger kitty is melting in the Australian summer heat. Oh, you're from Australia, eh, dude? Sweet. Good stuff. Might come down there at some point. Some point next year, I think. Probably come down to Australia. Alright, so, what else? What else? GBP USD. So some people were saying that they want to get into a short on this guy. Now, the great thing about this is it is a good short. It's possibly a good short because you've just kind of eaten all of these stops, right? And then bounced back down. Most likely is going to be a little bit of rejection here if it does come back up tomorrow, right? Actually, look at what we're targeting right now. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Look at this one. Right there. Hitting those lows right now. It would be a really good time to take profit if you are in a short on GU. I would be taking profit right now. It just happened to be in a GU short. Let's look at GBP CAD. Sure, let's look at GBP CAD. But I'm thinking that there's a good chance that we come back up here and we target these highs a little bit higher here, right? I think we're going to go for a new high on GBP USD. All right, so what is all of this mess? Get rid of it all. Get rid of everything. Oh my god, get rid of everything. Ew. Ew. Ew, ew, ew. I'm not going to look at Euro knock. Not a chance. Never. Not one chance. Never. Never, not one chance. Okay. Chart is bullshit. Why do you guys want to trade bullshit charts? Lows. Hit that level. That's the level. It's coming down to here. There you go. Going there. Boop. There you go. That's your trade. Whatever will be, will be. Okay, Sarah, Sarah. Whatever will be, will be. All right. GBP, JPY. Sure, we'll look at GBP. Yo, Hunter, what's your favorite pair? Oh, probably the one I make the most money in. I'm really liking Euro J. I'm really liking Euro J. I like the Euro pairs and I like the Aussie. These are Euro U, Euro J, Aussie U. Probably, yeah, I like those ones best. Those are my favorite. I do best with those. The other ones, not so much. I do okay with the other ones. And the small ones I don't trade because they're a bunch of bowls. Bowls of shit. Bull of shit. Right. Brook. Okay. UJ. Don't know what you're talking about here, dude. Untested supply? Huh? You must be freaking kidding me, dude. What are you, psycho? What are you, psycho? You think this is untested? Okay, wait. Untested supply. You drew it from here. Let me draw it. What the fuck are you talking about? Untested supply. You drew it from here, right? So let's just boop that over. Okay. First of all, there's no supply zone here. Second of all, it's been tested 1, 2, 3 times. This is the most tested anything could be. I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. That's the most tested anything could be ever. Don't short this. Don't short this unless you see a reaction that hunts the stops, right? And then you can get in. What the fuck is? Did we look at GJ? I think somebody asked for GJ. GJ is the better one for shorting if you want to short the pound. By the way, if you wanted to short the pound, GJ was the one to short versus GU. Why? Because you might be asking why. Well, it's because it's hit that level above, right? It's already gone to its place that it needs to be. GU has not, right? It's not gone past. This is actually quite brilliant. See that? So GJ is actually the better trade. So what I would do is simple. Look for a retest of this order block. Perfect. There you have it. That's what you do. Put on a trade, man. Either you already in a trade or explaining stuff to your cat. All right, buddy. Then fuck off. Actually, I don't want you to watch. You can leave. If you want, if you came here just to copy somebody's signals, then you can just go be a failure somewhere else, all right? Oops. Okay. Yeah. You don't fucking join a stream just to like copy people's trades. What are you trying to do? You're essentially just trying to beg for handouts. You're worse than the fucking homeless people standing on the side of the road. Because those people are at least like bearing the fucking cold. All you're doing is like sitting on your computer, like watching porn and jerking off, and then like begging for money, right? So fuck off. If you can't wait for trades, because I'll take maybe 1 to 3, 4 trades a day. So there's a chance that I will enter one on stream. But I only do maybe 2 a week on stream. So if you can't be patient, then you can just fuck off. Say it again. You don't deserve this shit. What is this channel about then? It's about education, buddy. I'm trying to teach you guys so that you can learn. I'm not trying to give you fucking money, alright? Don't be a dumbass. I'm fucking banning you, piece of shit. That's so fucking rude. God damn it. I can't believe that shit. I'm not even like really I'm not like pissed off or anything. I seem like I'm pissed off, but it's just like it's just rude, man. It's like it's just I'm making fun of him essentially. It doesn't really bother me, but it's just silliness. Okay. Okay. What do we want to look at here, guys? You guys are fucking going nuts now. Eh? That's pretty fucking funny, isn't it? Relax. Yeah, it's just fucking rude, man. That's all. This, I think December is really slow, by the way, guys. So there's very few things popping up. I've been in this Euro trade, and I think it might get stopped here in a second. It's really close. So let's look at what's kind of happening here. Because I told you guys where I think it'll reject, right? Because I think most people put their stops here. So I think most people just got stopped out, right? Because if we look at the 5-minute, you can see why, right? Most people put their stops there after that dump, right? But reality is there's still a level right here. This was actually the ignition point. So I actually first put my stops there at that first part. Right? Actually, there you go. It's perfectly hit it now, I think, right? Has it? Has it hit it? I think so. Well, it's front run it. Close enough. So I think that's where it's going to reject off of. Because I'm basically trying to fuck myself over, right? So the logic was I was going to put my stop there. And then I figured, okay, everyone else has their stop there, right? So let's just scooch it right here. I think most likely this is where it rejects. If not, then we're just wrong, and that's fine. But I did take some profit, so we're fine. Okay. Forex analysis, not signals. I mean, I give some signals. Like if you guys want my signals, you can watch my signal group, right? You can join the signal group if you want signals. I mean, that's what signal groups are for. This is for education, right? Leaving it's Omegle. Yeah, people ain't patient, then you can just fuck off. Yeah, exactly, dude. Exactly. Looch. Lol, everyone's fucking laughing. Eh? It's so fucking funny. So fucking funny. Mr. Rise. This is why I fuck with you, because you're the realist in the game. See, this is exactly what I told you guys, man. This is why, like, you guys gotta fucking. I don't think anyone should question my knowledge at this point, man. I'm literally doing this shit on the daily, and I'm telling you exactly where it's gonna reject, right? I'm literally telling you two within like point one of a pip where it's gonna reject. And it's like almost every day I tell you like guys this shit, right? And then people are still like fucking questioning it. This is why you guys, we're the fucking most woke community. You know what? That Instagram challenge, like you guys did so well. By the way, you guys fucking knew like everything, which is fucking incredible. So if you guys were a part of that, like, give yourself a fucking pat on the back because that's fucking great. Yeah, I know it's not like a super eventful stream here, guys, but I haven't asked yet if I do provide any content or education or something like that. Just hit the like button, and if you want to join in for the future ones, the streams are going to be kind of slower in December. December is a very slow month usually, so I'm just going to try to get like a couple trades in here and there, but there's really nothing that we're really looking at here. Mr. Pip wants me to look at this trade. Let's look at this trade. All right. Do I ever look at oil? No, Screen Master, I do not. Okay. Education and then tits and pips. Yeah, exactly. That's what we're about here, man. Tits and pips. That's all that matters. Oh, and happiness, of course. Don't forget, happiness, sense of well-being. That's a good one. Physical health. That's another good one. But the reality is all we care about is tits and pips. And pips, all they do is get you more tits. So, all right, let's look at this chart. Oh god, fucking funny day, man. GJ, right? We were just talking about this. This is a 3-minute. You psychopath. Ooh, baby, you psychopath. Let me just look at this one. Yeah, psychopath, You silly little ghost. All right, so you're looking at the 3-minute here, aren't you? You gotta show more of the chart a little bit here, by the way, guys. Don't show me like this is basically what you showed me. Do you look at your chart like this normally? Nah, that's fucking stupid. Don't be a silly bear. You can be a bear, don't be a silly bear. Be a bear or a bull, just don't be a pig. Right. So you're just trying to trend follow this, and I don't really agree with it. Higher time frame. We could obviously be bouncing off that order block there. Anytime around here, we're gonna bounce back up. So I wouldn't be shorting this. I wouldn't be shorting this, honestly. Wait until we sweep these highs, right? So something like this might happen, right? And then rejection again, and then short that move, right? Because this is the consolidation that people have their stops behind, exactly like what you do, right? So your stop is right here, right? So wait till you get stop hunted. Your trade gets stop hunted. Your trade, right? With the air quotes. Wait till that gets stop hunted, and then go into the trade, right? You know what I mean? We're always trying to fuck ourselves over, essentially. Like whatever you would do normally, just be like, no, that's wrong. That's wrong. How do I take advantage of that logic, right? It's so simple. We think logically here. Do you think Euro USD is looking bullish going into 2021? No idea. I don't trade that long term, and 2021 is like a month away. I'm not going to look at anything that's in a month away unless it's crypto. Hey, can you please talk about the untested area and the stop hunt? Yeah, untested areas are simply areas that have left the zone and it hasn't come back, right? So this means that there's still people waiting to get in down at that price, right? Still people waiting to get here, right? So it's likely it's going to bounce. Very quick and easy explanation. Stop hunts are essentially where people have their stop orders, right? So people had their stops above here, they got stop hunted and then came back in. Right? Very simple. Simple explanation. Simple question, simple explanation. There's the signal, bro. Did I give a signal? Did I give a signal? Yeah, we got a chill stream here today. I think December is gonna be a lot fewer people trading and whatnot. Yeah, we got fewer people watching, I think. Yeah, Mr. Pip. Yeah, no worries. You're welcome for the feedback. Um, Also, the Instagram fam did well because they've all been watching your streams and videos. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man. Like you guys are smart. That's what I'm saying. You guys are smart. You got basically everything dead on. Um, you guys gotta watch the video. I should do a guest at the Wicks Don't Lie on one of his live streams. Yeah, I do. I joined Paul, trading with Paul occasionally. He's decent. He's pretty good. Um, I want to do some like more collabs and stuff with people. So I'm trying to get some other YouTubers, some other traders, and we can do some stuff together. I think we're gonna do like a poker game also at some point. I'm trying to set up in January, where we're all gonna trade poker together, a bunch of different YouTubers. That should be pretty funny. Bunch of personalities, YouTube personalities. Sorry, I'm late. AN Cage, what's up, dude? Anyone counting the cats? Yeah, it's been a few. How many do we count for when the cat tries to charge my hand and I just I face palm him? Going down even more. What do you think of NCA and Swiss? Um, and oh gosh, holy crap! Yeah, that's a juicy baby right there. That's a juicy baby. Fucking the shit I say, like fuck. What the fuck is a juicy baby? Who cares? It's a fucking juicy baby though. Oh, that baby's so juicy. Fucking cannibalism or something. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, so I'm gonna pop this guy up a little bit. We had a high there. Look at this. Breaking back down. This could be a really good short. We had it pairing up nicely to NZD USD. So this looks great. This looks really, really fucking good actually. But you don't want to short this now. Don't be a, don't be a greasy baby. If it's a juicy baby, you wait till it gets some juice in you, right? Don't be greasy. Got a juicy baby right here. Okay, so how do we draw a juicy baby? I think we draw a juicy baby like this. This is neck, by the way. This is a juicy baby. Just so you guys know, little juicy, juicy baby. All right, juicy baby right there. Okay. Right. All right. Project Millionaire and Hunter FX, best crossover ever. Oh shit, dude. Oh my god. There's no fucking chance I would ever want to talk to that guy. Holy shit. That guy, like, I don't even understand him. His logic he has no logic. There's no logic in how he trades. He doesn't explain anything properly. How's the 5%ers challenge? God, you guys gotta stop asking me 5%ers. I'm not gonna 5%ers. I'm not doing anything because the margin requirements are so low. I can only risk 0.1% of my account in every trade, so I'm still like break even. I'm not making any money. I can I gotta switch to the aggressive account. I might email them and switch to the aggressive so I can have higher risk or something. But it's the risk settings are so low that it doesn't move very quickly at all. What do you invest in long term? Don't mind asking. Crypto. Now that crypto. So what's my rule here? So just so you guys know. I knew it was gonna reject right around all time high. So if we hit down to 16K or lower, I will buy more. I have maybe another 10 grand or something I can throw in. But so if we hit down to like 16K down here or lower, I will start buying again. Other than that, I'm just leaving it because I have plenty of crypto. Enough that if we can retire after this shit, after it hits the bull market, right? But if it starts breaking up, right? If this rejection, if this rejection, because it's going to reject a little bit here, right? If it only comes down here and then just blasts off, that's fine. I'm just going to dump all my money in stocks, um, and business and real estate and whatnot, right? But crypto will be no more investing until like 5 years from now. Okay. Samuel, check out Samuel Leach videos. Not really. I think Samuel Leach was a stock trader. No, correct me if I'm wrong. Samuel Leach was a stock trader. So I don't think his videos apply. NFP this Friday. Totally. Oh, it's NFP. That's why the week is slow. Oh, thanks, dude. Yeah. Shit. Okay, NFP. NFP, for you guys don't know, first Friday of each month. Usually, NFP week is slow, and then the NFP really kicks things off for the rest of the month, right? So, something that I've noticed is the US dollar switches trend of the week 90% of the time on NFP day, right? So on Friday, 90% of the time over the past year, I believe that's the stat, but that was like last time I checked. Over the past year or two or something, it's like 90% of the time it trends one way, and then on Friday it reverses, right? So what are you guys gonna do? You guys are gonna look for a reversal. You're not gonna fucking short randomly. This is obviously the trending way, right? It's going up. So most likely it's gonna trend for the whole week. And look at this. This is matching up perfectly to what I said last week, right? Most likely it's going to trend the whole week, and it's going to reject around here, right? I think we said it would reject right around there, right? So it's going to keep trending for the next 2 days. Is it 2 days? I think 2 days, yeah. Still late to the party? Screen. Okay. What if someone gets swiped just a little bit? Rally. Consider it interesting. Another big swipe. Oh, if there's a small sweep, yeah, there's probably going to be a bigger sweep coming after. But it's not. That's something you have to kind of figure out on your own. Every day you get asked that question. Yeah, yeah, I get asked the 5% question every day. Yeah. What is break even? Break even is where you're going to lose nothing. So that seems like a pretty obvious, self-explanatory thing, right? Hunter, go to sleep. It's only like 4:30 a.m., dude. It's not sleep time yet. Got another few hours. Okay. So 16.5. I might buy 16.5 for crypto. We'll see here. 16.5. Let's see what the level is. 16.5. I mean, that's fine. Fine. Right around there. Right around these lows, I'll start buying. All the way down to 14. This is the buy area right here. Oops, shit. Right there. It just asked me to buy. Right there, that's the buy area, right? I don't imagine it's gonna go lower than that, but I'll just keep buying because I'll be making money. I'll be making money and just keep buying. God dang. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Now that guy's probably like pooping himself, the guy that was like asking for a signal, eh? I wonder if he's still here. Who cares? He can't talk, he's banned. Look at that shit. He wanted a signal. I told him right there, rejection. Right there. You literally could have gone like this. But I'm not going to give you a signal like that because that is a stupid thing to do. That is a very stupid thing and very easily stopped out. But anyways, there you go. There's your signal. You could have just entered this trade and gone for like a fucking 17-hour trade. Right. Okay. What do you use Monday range for? Monday range for is partially I just want to see the day of the week, and partially I like to see how price comes back to the Monday range. It's very often that we come back to Monday range early in the week, so I use it for that. What do you think about Swaggy G? I think you got the name wrong there. I think it's Swaggy C. I think out of all of the major like YouTube gurus, I think Swag Academy is the best. He's the most legitimate. He talks in a manner that he actually knows what he's talking about. Knowing how the markets work myself, he talks in a way that is quite clear to me that he knows how to trade, right? All of these other guys, they talk in very vague senses. They don't explain themselves properly. They talk about things that other people talk about for free on YouTube. All these other guys don't really know how to trade. You know, they might be able to make a little bit of money. They might be slightly profitable, but I think Swaggy's like the only one that can actually make good money. That's my presumption. I think KB trading is probably pretty good too. There's a couple guys. I can't remember them all, but KB and I think Trader Nick. Trader Nick, he makes money, but he does it very, very slow, which is fair. He's not a day trader. I think he's a swing trader, right? He's not an intraday trader. Trader Nick knows what he's talking about. Yeah. He just does things very slow. What about Mamba? Mamba is just bad at teaching, honestly. He might be good, but the way he teaches, it's just very vague. That's the problem with him. At least on his YouTube stuff. I haven't seen his like paid stuff, so I can't comment on that. But from what I remember, he doesn't explain things super well. But it's possible that he's making money. I don't want to like say any like for sure facts about like all these guys. You guys are just like asking like all these different guys. I can't say for sure. I don't know them all for sure. Just most of the guys kind of talk in very vague senses, and those guys I have no idea if they make money or not. So because I have no reason to believe that they make money. It's basically only like a couple of the guys that it's pretty obvious to me, just based on how they talk and how they teach. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking about like other fucking traders now, because yeah, I'm gonna stop. Yo, ICT, literally every single day somebody asks me about him, what I think of him. You guys should just literally watch any other video every single day. Don't spam. If you spam, you get banned. Yeah, I'm gonna stop talking about all these different guys, dude. What is the YouTube Forex education community grows so big? We get beefs on how much people can make. Yeah, I already had like a bunch of beef with like a bunch of people early in the YouTube career, because I just what about Hunter FX? Yeah, he's a fucking asshole. Hunter FX is like the fucking biggest asshole, but you know, you remember what I was saying yesterday, guys? You're allowed to be an asshole if you're the best. Just like a hot chick. You're allowed to be a bitch if you're a hot chick. Yeah, ICT, he's a bad teacher, but his stuff works. Okay, anyways, have I heard of J Take Profits? Yeah, I have. J Take Profits doesn't really teach anything though, I don't think. J Take Profits just kind of like teaches like something useless, right? It's just like generic nothing content, right? It's like a gold. Yeah, somebody actually started talking about trading. Tired of talking about other YouTubers. Just gonna get like a target on my back and people are gonna get mad again, and then like put pressure on me to like show my work, right? You guys already fucking know that I can trade, so this is exactly what I said, right? It's like every fucking day I tell you guys exactly what's gonna happen, and then it happens the next day. It's just fucking, it's ridiculous. Look at this, EJ, still just dumping exactly where I said. Exactly. This is exactly what I said too. It's gonna come up. Hit that. Reject right here. All right. Exactly what I said. Mind you, don't short this. Just because I said it's gonna happen doesn't mean you should short it. All right? Is that fair? Just because we know what's gonna happen doesn't mean you should enter the trade. Don't be stupid. Follow your system. I can be right 90% of the time, okay? But we have to follow a system because we have to create data. We have to know our data analytics, right? Because drawing a line like this is completely arbitrary. There's nothing backing this. I have no idea how profitable this system is, right? So don't trade this unless you know it, right? You know, unless for some reason, you know, you see a big, you know, pentagram here or something, right? Let's say a pentagram printed right there, and you knew that pentagrams meant that you were going to be profitable, right? Then obviously you would trade it if you had the idea. You know, a big pentagram just appeared out of nowhere, and the devil popped up. He's like, "Bah, these are my horns," right? And those are weird shaped horns, aren't they? These are my horns, and this is my pentagram, and this is my trade, and it's going to hell. All right, then you can short it, obviously. Okay. All right. So have you done Aussie? You can be right 90% of the time. Yeah, like 90. I would say like 90% of the time, I know what's gonna happen. Not every chart, but when I make a prediction, I would say pretty close to 90% of the time. It happens to very similar to what I expect, right? But that doesn't mean that I'm profitable 90% of the time. I'm profitable about 70% of the time of my trades, right? I make money about 70% of my trades. Okay. So this one's about to take. Yeah. See, you can always be right about what's going to happen. Like, you know, gold here, for example. Like I could have said, you know, it's going to come here, and then we could just randomly short it, and then it hits our stop loss, right? And I would still be right, and it would come down, but we would be wrong on that trade. So, you know, you could still be more or less right, but you have to time everything perfectly. So we're just trying to see here. I don't know if anyone's actually in this trade. I'm just curious how this is going to close here. I think I might take TP1 off right now. Yeah, we'll take TP1 off right now. Let me just pull this up on the signal group. Okay. Let me just take TP1 off right now. 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay. Sorry, 1 second, guys. That's the signal group. I just had to send it out. Okay, perfect. And then stops break even. Okay. So the stops are gonna go break even now, and we're gonna go here. And we're gonna go here. Perfect. Catman. Let me just see 1 second here. Okay. Stops, break even. Okay, just above break even. Sweet. Because I don't want to get pooped on. Do I want to get pooped on? Probably not. I don't want to get pooped on. Okay. Oh, dude, do you like the magic keys? Yeah, the magic keys is pretty awesome. It's sweet. It helps enter trades really quickly. The other thing that's great about it is let me pop this up here so you can see. You got this one here, auto break even. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't see it. I got the focus on wrong here. There. Wait. No. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I don't know how to use a camera. Who knows? Somebody knows how to use a camera. Auto break even. You can set up areas that it'll automatically move your stop to break even, and you can take partial profits when that happens. So if you have to go away and you have a trade open, then you say, okay, I want to take half off here or something like that. It's really, really helpful. Delete that one. Okay. Yeah, so the reason I just took this off early is because the difference between 1.5 and 2 is not a big deal. And we were talking about how I thought that this was a possibility, the sweep and then the rally. So I'm just a little bit worried now that we're kind of sweeping this low. So we're still letting the rest run to 4R here. But this little bit is not a big deal. And then we moved our stop just behind. So it's still in the negative, but that's fine. How much is the magic keys? I think it was like $200, something like that. So it's not a big deal. Like, you know, if you're a trader, it's an absolute must, right? Because, oh shoot, sorry. I forgot to turn the charts back on here. So yeah, we're leaving this to 4R, and right here the difference between that and that wasn't a big deal, and it just closed. So I'm just a little bit worried because this could be a continuation rally, right? This could have been hunting, right? Hunting and then rallying, and this is just the pullback before the rally, right? So it's very easy for this to come up here, right? So we've just put our stop right there. Right, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. How much is my signal group? You can check out the website hunterfx.co. Yeah, you're in face mode. Yeah, thanks, guys. Yeah, I didn't notice that. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. Yeah, if I provide any value to you, just hit the like button here. I saw 3 people hit the dislike. It's probably the 3 people that I yelled at today. Just every day I yell at some asshole for being a dinkhead. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it. Yeah, as always, hit the like button if I provide any value for you, or humor even. If you guys like the jokes, I know there's not too many jokes today. We're kind of calm day, but I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. You gained like 20 brain cells just now. Awesome, yeah. Sounds great, man. Glad you guys can join. I'm glad we kind of got like a trade going a little bit, a EJ trade. Yeah. Hopefully we got some more tomorrow. Keep an eye on USD CAD for tomorrow. Remember that one. Never came, but it's fine for the change anyway. I'll be stuck in my prime. Celebrate a sinner when I'm born, man. First time here. Hey, thanks, man. New sub. Awesome. Appreciate it. Yeah, hit the sub if you're new here. She knows that I blow up when I get on that train. Makes me insane. So I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes. I'm a dip, babe. Light switch, I flip my ways. It's guilt been built, but I feel okay. I trip, I slip, contradict my way. Celebrate days that I feel okay. Demons be laughing on top of my shoulders. Stay sinning and smiling, new days I get older. Suppose I be colder, suppose I'm supposed to be focused on scheming and making that goals. Bye to the days I'm crazy. Goddamn, my life don't like to change. And I pipe that dream through me, I say. Can't quite redeem, every night she wait. Make a decision, the life that we live in. My vision is set and I move with precision. A man on a mission, I fly to the moon. Float out of orbit, a comet, I zoom out of world with an energy. I'm my own entity, medicine remedy. Living with ecstasy, write my own destiny. Pipe coming soon. Built with a team, I got no room for you. Sharing no piece of my prize motivation. Got pride renovated, we excavate. In the states of our mind that be that's some good music, isn't it?
Like Bishop, the queen had no wisdom. Replacing my comfort with pleasure and women.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
Jealousy killed her. Demons go fill her, run with no filter. Listen to Miller progress every day. Things ain't the same, and she knows that I blow up when I get on that train. Makes me insane, so I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes. I'm a dip, babe. Things ain't the same, and she knows that I blow up when I get on that train. Makes me insane. So I float, blowing smoke, changing lanes. I'm a dip, babe. Things ain't the same. She knows that I blow up when I get on that train. All the music's going to be released in 2021. It's going to be a new song every 2 weeks for 6 months. He's just packing it up. Packing it up in a nice little bundle. 1 song every 2 weeks for 6 months. He's got a bunch, they're good. Yeah. See you guys tomorrow.